Hello and welcome back to Art and Craft with Pika. So today I will show you how to make gesso at home using only 4 ingredients at very low cost. Before that, let me tell you what is gesso and where is used in crafting or painting. Gesso is also known as glue gesso and it prepares the surface or painting or making the surface slightly textured and ready to accept acrylic colors or paints. Let's start the process to making gesso. To make it, you will first need a container in which we will make it or store it. So you need Fevicol MR, calcium carbonate, water and acrylic paint. Here I will use wildstone powder. You can see here it contains calcium carbonate. You can also use any kind of talcum powder which contains calcium carbonate in it. Now we will put a teaspoon of powder in the container and add Fevicol with it. As you mix, you can see some lumps forming between them. That's why we use a little bit of water in this to smooth the formula. You can use water as much as you want to smooth it. Then it should be kneaded until the lumps inside it are becoming smooth. Now I use a small amount of white acrylic color for making a bright white base. But you can use another colors like blue or green as you like. You can see how smooth this paste is made and it is ready for your painting or crafting. So I will tell you that uh, for a smooth and better or perfect gesso, the ratio of Fevicol and calcium carbonate with water is 2 is to 1 is to 2 is to 1. So if you like this video, please let me know in the comment and hit the like button and subscribe for more crafting video. Thanks for watching the full video.